Hey everybody, welcome to the fall semester. This is Dr. Lassane. I'm your instructor for Literature for Children 5360, Section 3. Please make sure you're in the correct section. If not, contact Rebecca in the office. I just wanted to say hi briefly and to show you the Blackboard, and I'll also hop over to LiveBinders for a minute. There are many more detailed screencasts coming your way, but this is just a brief introduction to you. If you look here, you see this looks pretty much like Blackboard usually does. You've got your syllabus and due dates, and you click on the link, and you'll see a link for the syllabus, and then you'll see all the due dates for the assignment written out. They basically come once every week to 2 weeks. I've tried to spread them out as much as I can over a 15-week semester. And you can see what assignments are due first, what assignments are due next, and what assignments are due last. And that will help you kind of prioritize what you're going to do for me this semester. The course content, of course, the thing that you most want to look at are the modules for the course. And they're the things that we just looked at over there when it talked about the syllabus and the different assignments you do. When you're done and you're ready to do module number 1, you'll click on this and you'll see places where you can submit your assignments. The due dates are already there as well, so when you submit, it'll let you know if you're on time or you're not. And the other thing that's right here is a link to the online textbook, which is free, and a link to LiveBinders. If you click on that, it will take you to there's the textbook right there, and it will take you to the LiveBinders for the course as well. So you will find all the information that you need between here, the textbook, and the link for LiveBinders. Have a wonderful semester. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to be in touch with me.